Hi students, today I am going to teach question related to nature of roots. As you know, b square minus 4ac, this is called discriminant. This decides the nature of the roots. That is, we represent by capital D. D is greater than 0, D is equal to 0, and if D is less than 0. There was 3 conditions in this class already I taught you. If greater than 0, having the 2 roots but different roots. If equal 0 coming, that having the 2 equal roots. But if D is less than 0 coming, it means that having the imaginary roots, that will be complex number. So student, let's discuss through this question. Here, so that the roots of the equation x minus a into x minus b plus x minus b into x minus c plus x minus c into x minus a is equal to 0, where a, b, c what is the real number. ये कह रहा है, दिस आस्किंग दैट आर ऑलवेज रियल. आपको दिखाना है कि आर ऑलवेज रियल. It means that telling that discriminant should be greater than 0. Then we can say that will be always real. If it will become less than, so it may be that it will be imaginary. So let's discuss that about this. First, you have to multiply this bracket and this bracket and convert into the quadratic equation. That what is quadratic equation? ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. So first we have to convert that into quadratic equation by multiplication of the 2 bracket. That then we will apply that formula. So student, nearby I completed. See, I want to explain. This was the question. We have to prove this is the always real. So for this I multiplied here. If you multiply both bracket, your result will become this. This is the for first 2, this is for second 2, and this is for third 2. Then x square plus x square plus x square, 3x square written here, that is 3x square minus a plus bx, b plus cx, c plus ax. Yes. So if you simplify, it means that minus this, minus x, take the common from all. So inside bracket will be a plus b plus a plus b plus b plus c plus c plus a. Now plus remaining what is ab plus bc plus ca. Yes. Now see, this is the simplify 3x square minus x, a plus a 2a 2b plus 2c plus ab plus bc plus ca is equal to 0. Yes. Now 3x square, 2 taken the common from here, x already written here plus same things I copied here, equal to 0. This is looking the quadratic equation. Looking the quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c, that is looking quadratic equation. So we have to apply quadratic standard quadratic to compare. So ax square plus bx plus c. So a value what will be 3, b value what will be minus 2a plus b plus c, and c value what will be this constant term. So we found that a, b, c. Then to find the real roots or nature of roots, we have to apply the formula b square minus 4ac. That implies that b square means that this whole square. So written here this whole square minus 4. A means that 3 and c means that this. Right? Now if it is square of minus 2 what will be 4. Minus square plus a plus b plus c whole square minus 4 3 12 ab plus bc plus ca, same thing copied here. Now apply the formula of a plus b plus c whole square as you know in class 9 10. So you can apply a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca into 4 outside minus open the bracket 12a ab minus 12bc minus 12ac. Now multiply 4a square plus 4b square plus 4c square plus 4 2 ja 8ab 4 2 ja 8bc 4 2 ja 8ca. This 4 multiplied in the bracket minus 12ab minus 12bc minus 12ca. Right? So this was the I am solving to find that nature of this root. That means we have to show that this value will be greater than b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0. So I hope that up to here that clear that. So some more step I will write. Now see what will be result. Students, see that 4a square plus 4b square plus 4c square. I written the 4a square, 2a square plus 2a square, 4b square, 2b square plus 2b square, 4c square, 2c square plus 2c square. Now 8ab minus 12ab minus 4ab, 8bc minus 12bc minus 4bc, 8ca minus 12ca minus 4ca. Right? Now 2a square plus 2b square minus 4ab, one bracket written, plus 2b square 2c square plus minus 4bc in another bracket written. Rest 2a square plus 2c square minus 4ac written in the third bracket. For what? To arrange in the formula. 2 will be common here. So take the common 2, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? Clear? Plus b square plus c square minus 2bc, yes, plus 2a square plus c square minus 2ac. Hope concepts are clear that. Now 2 can take the out, mean the common. So if we are taking the 2 out, so what will be? What will be this? A minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. What will be this? B minus c whole square. And what will be this? A minus c whole square. Now tell this will be positive or negative. अब आप डिसाइड करेंगे कि यह पॉजिटिव होगा कि निगेटिव होगा. Tell. Decided? Okay, answer came that. Yes, this will be positive. This will be positive because any value square will be positive. Any value square will be positive. So what can we say that? We can say b here b square minus 4ac greater than 0. If having the greater than 0, so which type root will be? Real root will be. So our question was that prove that are real roots always? Yes. Hence prove that will be real root. Reason क्या लिखेंगे? Because this value each value is a square of the number, so it will be greater than 0, therefore having the different real roots. This is your answer. Let's take one more question. Very cheap question of exercise 6.2. This is the question given, has equal roots, find m. Find m. Studied in class 10th. Same question. Is this equation in quadratic or not? Yes. Ax square plus bx plus c. First you have to look that question is in quadratic or not. So it is the quadratic. If having the quadratic, we have quadratic equation, so we have to compare by the standard form of the quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a what will be this, b what will be this, and c what will be this. Then what is next step, that we have to factorize by the formula or by the direct method. So let's see what will be. A equal to 4 plus m and b equal to m plus 1 and c is equal to 1. Right? Now what you have to do? Next check it, because has equal roots. It means b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Yeah, has equal roots. I think that given that has two real and equal root, that maybe any question, no problem. So a, b, c we found that b square minus 4ac, we have to check that. Now right here, b square means m plus 1 whole square minus 4 plus m into 1 equal to 0. What is here? M square plus 1 plus 2m minus 16 plus 4m equal to 0. M square 2m plus 4m what will be? 6m. 1 minus 16 what will be? 15 is equal to 0. आप तो फैक्टर कर सकते हैं. You have to factorize that. So that will be m square, डायरेक्ट कर दे रहे हैं. 3 5 ja, but we have to see that also, that 5 3 ja 3 5 ja 6m m square plus 6m 4 to 6m 3 5 3. Something missing or question is wrong there. M plus 1 whole square m square 1 plus 2m minus 4 4 ja. Oh, here wrong, that here we can go wrong. 4 4 ja 16 minus 4m. So if it will be minus 4m, so what will be this? Do you know? 2m minus 4m is equal to, nobody telling about that this is the mistake. 2m minus 4m, that will be minus 2m. M square minus 2m and minus 15 is equal to 0. Here arrange this. M square minus 3 5 ja minus 5m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Right? M common. So what will be here? M minus 5 plus 3 common, m minus 5. So m minus 5 and m plus 3 is equal to 0. Means that there will be two value, which is the real. M is equal to 5 and m is minus 3. That is two value. That. Okay, let's take one more question after this. That will be last question for today. So last question for today in this video. Prove that the equation x square plus px minus 1 is equal to 0 has real and distinct root for all real values of p. Very simple. If we have to prove that real roots, it means that we should prove that discriminant should be greater than 0, positive number. So, x square minus px minus 1, this is the equation given. Is this equation in quadratic equation? Yes. X square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Compare with that. So what will be a? 1, b minus p and c minus 1. After comparing, this will come that a, b, c. Because we have to prove that b square minus 4ac greater than 0. So let's check it. B square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. minus p b square minus 4 into a1 into c, what will be minus 1. So that is p square minus minus plus 4. Tell about this, what do you want to say? This is the b square minus 4ac. What will be greater than 0 or less than 0? Yes, greater than 0. Any value will put here p, because it is square, it will be positive. Positive plus positive will be positive. So here we can say p square plus 4 greater than 0. If it is a greater than 0, so having that real and distinct root, that. Yes. So student, this was the questions for the today. So some more question you try to solve that and understand that. Okay student, thanks for today.